1956, the birth of AI has happened, but it took 66 years to create a ChatGPT. Why so much time? Why we take 66 years to create a ChatGPT? Machines can learn, machines can talk. That's AI. But AI has gone through the multiple stages till the ChatGPT was created and AI becomes household term. Let's trace out the origin and evolution of AI, how AI has evolved from one stage to another stage. We will go through the AI evolution timeline and the multiple stages what AI has gone through. Now you may be thinking why it is important to learn AI journey. Well, when we learn something new, we must know what problems, what challenges we face to create the final product. And this is exactly what we'll do here. Year 1956, Dartmouth Conference, organized by John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky. They have coined the term called as artificial intelligence. It was a theoretical concept, no actual tools. That's how the AI birth has happened. Early days, the AI research was very limited due to the limited computing power. Most of the tools which was developed, those were rule-based engines. With the time, we learned multiple things about AI. Year 1986, multi-layer neural network algorithm called backpropagation was proposed. What is neural network? So basically neural network is the concept which is used by a human brain to think. We are replicating the similar concept in the AI world called as artificial neural network. It has taken a lot of years to invent neural network and train the AI models. 1998, LetNet 5 was proposed, which was the early convolutional neural network. You might have heard Gary Kasparov beaten by the machine in chess champion. It was IBM's Deep Blue tool. Again, that was a rule-based tool. 2006 years was marked by a deep learning term coined by Geoffrey Hinton. It was a multi-layer, multi-level neural network. And year 2012, the AlexNet came into the picture, where we were dealing with the classifying images and handling large images with the help of GPU. In 2014, Alan Goodfellow invented the GAN. This was the birth of a modern generative AI, wherein we were able to generate something using AI, audio, video, and images. Till now, we were able to generate the images, we were able to convert the speech, but still the AI was in limited word. Why? Because we were unable to train the models on a large scale. That's where the term transformer comes into picture. Google research team has proposed a white paper called Attention is All You Need in 2017. And with the transformer architecture, we were able to train the AI models on a large scale in a parallel mode. Year 2018, BERT architecture comes into picture, which was again invented by Google. BERT was able to predict the sentences and perform language modeling. Year 2019, earlier GPT architecture was proposed called GPT-2. Then the modified GPT version called GPT-3 came into picture. This was all researched and proposed by OpenAI. 2021, the VIT comes into the picture. It was a vision transformer where it was able to uh, it was VIT is basically to handle the images, to create the images, to modify the images. 2021 Daily was created, which was able to create the images out of text. If you enter some text, Daily will give you the image. And then comes the major milestone. On November 2022, the conversational chatbot called ChatGPT was proposed by OpenAI. And that's how the ChatGPT is born. And then the world has the power of ChatGPT. There, the official AI revolution has begun, which was the most finished product in the AI journey. After ChatGPT, multiple companies has launched their own chatbots called Google Gemini, Cloud, DeepSeek, Grow, etc. This story goes on, and we have more advanced tools coming into the picture in next few years. So this is basically a journey of AI and how AI has transformed from one stage to another stage, how scientist has invented ChatGPT from the 1956 term AI. Thank you. See you in the next chapter.